In this video, I'll detail how to change your wallpaper on Apple Watch. So if you want to change your Apple Watch wallpaper, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. Literally, changing wallpaper on Apple Watch is similar to changing your Apple watch face. So here, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your Apple Watch. Now to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to get hold of your iPhone. Then on your iPhone, you want to go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone like this. Then click on Face Gallery. Now you just need to scroll down to get to the Photo Face Gallery on your Apple Watch. So just keep scrolling until you get to the Photo Face Gallery. Just keep scrolling here, then click on it. Once you click on the Photo Face Gallery, then click on Choose Photo. Then this is going to pop recommended photos on your iPhone that you can use as your watch face gallery. Then select all. On selecting all, select the background you want to use as your Apple Watch background. Let's say this. Then click on Add. Then you should see it like this. Then here you can come here, choose the size like this, and then scroll down. Adjust the time font. It's a classic or modern. Then scroll down, choose the numeral you want to use. Either you want to use Arabic Western or Arabic Eastern. Then select the numeral. Once you selected that, just go back up and click on Add. Then before you click on Add, let me show you something here. This is what we have on my Apple Watch. Then click on Add. Then instantly, this is going to add this to the Apple Watch face, right? Then once you click on the Add button, click on my watch face. Then if you see watch face here, click on it. Here you can further customize it, and then scroll down to the bottom and you see set as current watch face. There you go. So you see that? So that is exactly how to change wallpaper on Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.